Tired of endless buffering and snail-paced downloads ruining your mega video experience? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to reveal simple yet effective tricks to supercharge your mega video speeds in under 90 seconds. First, let's ensure mega isn't the problem itself. Run a quick internet speed test using a site like SpeedTestNet. Make sure the results show your connection is performing as expected. If your internet speed is slow, contact your internet provider. If it is working as expected, then move on to step 2. Adjust your video quality. Streaming videos at the highest resolution can strain your connection, especially if it is not the fastest. Lowering the quality often makes a world of difference. Look for the settings icon, typically a gear, and select a lower resolution like 720p or even 480p. Next, close unnecessary tabs and applications. Each open tab and running program consume bandwidth in the background. Closing them frees up more resources for mega and your video. Now, for the downloaders out there, consider temporarily pausing other downloads to give mega priority. Competing downloads choke bandwidth. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Accumulated data can sometimes interfere with performance. Go to your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear your cache and cookies. Finally, if you're still struggling, downloading the video during off-peak hours can notably speed things up. Less network traffic equals faster speeds. And that is it. By implementing these steps, you will increase your video experience on Mega in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.